bit late to the party here, sorry about that. I'm already in a trade. I've gone short on the ES because the bonds look like they're pushing up. We've got a bit of liquidity on the book map. We can move that across. I'm hoping just to get a nice scalp here and then get out. Nice quick one if we can. Let's move that out the way, we don't want that. We're up $50 at the minute. I'm going to have to move that back to that NQ book map. Put it back on there if I can. Well, let me put it back on there. No, I'm just going to have to flick between them now, unfortunately. So we're in here, but looks like it's pushing back up now because I've been messing around with that. Let's see where these levels are to the upside on the book map. Hopefully NQ won't get above this resistance here. Let's see if that's still on the map. What's that? 515. Oh dear. Well, 515 is quite a long way away, isn't it, from where prices are now on there. I mean, the bonds are still looking bullish as long as they can break above. Get the bonds to break above there. Then hopefully this will start pushing back down. Needs to get below this VWAP really. Trying to scalp my way back to profit on this account because we had a bit of a rough ride last week with this, to be honest. Problem is it's retesting opening price. Let's go back onto the ES book map. Let's have a look. Oh, we're currently up at VWAP on there. Delta's looking quite strong, to be honest, to the upside. Which is not what we want. Come on. See if we can take that liquidity. See, they're putting orders on the book and then pulling them, putting them on and pulling them. Could rip to the upside this, you know. It's starting to look quite bullish to me. Don't really like the look of it. Just want to keep an eye on these bonds here. So when bonds go up, normally the index goes down. Index goes down, bond goes up. So we'll see. Just take a couple of these headache tablets before I get an even worse headache from losing. Bloody water's warm. Should have waited a bit for price to settle down because there's a lot of orders. If you have a look at this, I don't know. I don't have to flick it across like that. I'll tell you what I can do to show you. I think I can just go like that. Nope. Sorry guys, wrong one. There we go. Look at all these orders stacked, a lot. A lot of orders stacked. It's like, look how full it is. Look at that. I meant to tell where levels are. There's that many bloody orders, but you've got a big This level's been on there for since last week. This 500 level here, and we've got these levels down here, which I'm hoping we're going to try and push down towards these levels, but we'll see. I'll go back to the primary monitor. Put the lucky hat on. Yeah, I'm not really liking the look of this price action, to be honest. It's not going anywhere. This is a 100 tick chart, so for every 100 ticks that go through, it prints a candle, and after 100 it starts to print the next candle, and it doesn't seem to be going anywhere fast, which means there's probably not a lot of liquidity in the market at the moment. So bonds are just stagnant, they're flatlined. YM's not going anywhere. I mean, I did mark out these big boxes here. This is the range for the whole day today. It's just gone up and down. Not really gone anywhere, to be honest. I'll just see if we can get a small scalp and get out and wait till market open, because I don't like the look of this. It's at sort of a critical point here. If you look, buy sell, buy sell, buy sell. I'm tired. Right, let's have a look on this book map here. Let's zoom in a bit. Let's get a bit granular with it. Yeah, look, it's all looking like it's stacked a lot. Now them orders have cleared up, it's stacked a lot to upside, to be honest. I think if it gets above this VWAP on bookmap, I'll probably get out of this trade for a scratch 100, something like that. Can't remember what Delta started off on, if Delta's building. Usually you'll find, what I've noticed is the NQ mostly goes just before the ES, it takes it with it, because all the weight in this market's on these tech companies, so you find that normally takes it down with it. So hopefully if this sells off, ES should follow suit. Bonds have just printed a bit of a red candle. I don't think I'm going to be able to rely on the bond today. It's stuck, which is probably why this is stuck as well. So the NQ pushed down a bit then, and the ES didn't even move. Well, I'm not always scowling like this, I've just got a bit of a headache. Make a bit of room for my hand here. As you see, I don't really use any indicators, to be honest. Just mark the levels and highs and lows and sort of a range. I have VWAP on, but I'll just anchor it to certain points. Obviously it's based on volume, isn't it, VWAP, the volume weighted average price, so even though technically it is an indicator, it's a volume based indicator, so the market doesn't move anywhere without volume, hence why it's going sideways. Seems to be a lot of sellers coming in on the time and sales. But if that time and sales goes completely red and it don't push down, it could probably mean the aggressive market buyers. See, even Delta's not building. Oh, look. YM's looking bullish. It's a nice big green candle. Well, not that big, but it's bigger than the previous candle. Come on, it's just rejected. We've got a nice big red volume bubble there. Some quite larger size orders coming out time and sales to the sell side, so if it don't push down with them large orders coming in, then we're probably going to head up. So tinnitus is kicking in. Little trend line going on here. Let's just see if it's going to continue going up, or if it's going to break. So the ES doesn't seem to be pushing down as much as the NQ today. Maybe some of the non-tech stocks have got good numbers. Right, that's testing that trend line there, is the NQ. Is it going to push through or is it going to bounce? Sometimes I don't know if I should just go back to trading the NQ or not. See how the NQ's gone first. I don't reckon it'll push down because look, that's them 30-year bonds aren't even moved. Got that tiny little range it's just put in there. Right, where's the next level to the downside on here? The next big level. You're looking at 6474, which is 6474. can't be right. No. That'd be my target anyway. That's all I'm after is 500 today. I'm going to try and scalp my way to pass this. Be nice to get a bigger trade off, but I don't think it's going to happen. Is there any bigger levels below that, just in case? No. You're looking at 470 then, but that's white, not red, so that means there's not as much liquidity out there. How many 90 contracts? I'm not liking the look of this. I'm tired. Get this trade done, I can get to bed. I'm knackered. So it's testing that resistance line now, or trend line. Well, the bonds are moving up again, slowly. So hopefully them treasury bonds will get above this resistance level here, break that, which should in turn send this down. And we're still stuck just under that VWAP on the bookmap. I'm going to just move that down just in case it so happens to rip. Right, so we're moving down slowly now, which I was hoping for. We've got to try and get below this VWAP. Where's the market open? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to anchor another VWAP to 11. Globex open, which is about there. Globex open, which is about there. Come on, keep pushing. See, I'm not moving my stop to break even yet because we're not even 2 points away from the entry. So we've got a little bit of a push down on the book map. It just pushed slightly below that last level there and bounced right back up. So see how that's just bounced off you up there. That's your average price based on volume on the NQ. So my account balance is currently at minus 1700. So I mean, even if I can get $200 out of this, I'll be back down to 1500. It's going to take a while to get even back to zero on this account, but slow and steady. The fact that I've been rushing is what's got me in the hole in the first place. So we need to not. Come on, bonds, push. You'll find as well with this, the YM, it seems to respect the levels quite a lot on these swings and stuff on the YM. So once it hits a level on the YM, you find that the NQ and the ES generally stop moving, or maybe reverse a bit, you get a pullback, or something I need to do a little bit more research on, why numbers or fundamentals or what companies, you know. It's nice to just know. If I get down to $200, I might take half off. Oh, sorry, get down to $400. I'll take half my position off, I think. And then move the other 10 contracts to break even. If it pushes down, it pushes down. If it doesn't, it doesn't. I'm going to do a risky thing now, and I'm going to have to go to the toilet. Hopefully I'll come back and we'll be in profit. We're back. Should have put the kettle on. Yeah, you see these treasury bonds here, they've just got a couple of little rejections there. They're trying to push up and it's not going down. So we've got a resistance level at 78 on the ES. So I'm just going to mark that up. Is that here? Yeah, 78. That's where all the liquidity is set on the book map, right there. Come on. So when it hits a level like this, it can either obviously carry on, absorb it and carry on pushing down, depending on how many aggressive sellers we've got in the market. Or if we don't have many people hitting aggressive market sell orders, buy orders, hang on. If there's not many people aggressively selling, then it could just push back up. So we'll keep an eye on this at this level. This is where we find out who's in control now. So we're at the VWAP on the ES now. I think YM's pushing down quite a lot. Do you know what we wanted to see? Right, so that liquidity at 78's been pulled now. See, it's been pulled, or it's been filled. How many got filled there? How many contracts? 93. So it's probably absorbed all them contracts now. The next level is only a tick down, so it's just an algorithm, this. Placing bids, a tick away, another tick away. Just have a quick look on the 15 minute. Yeah, look, next level, somewhere around there. They're all rejections. It could possibly get below there, but then you're probably going to start projecting price here. So a lot of buyers coming in, pushed down, pushed up. I think I'm going to start moving my stop down, I think, because we're at 1500, which is what we wanted. take a little scalp and then we can go for market open tomorrow, can't we? Put my risk to there. We're at 74, 75. I am going to move that to there because I'd be happy to get filled there if it rips down. Only bad thing about trading at this time is it's just so slow. I mean, it gives you time to think about your trade, but come on. We're due a bit of a pullback here. Yeah. Hopefully that NQ is going to come up and just test that VWAP and then reject. That's what we want. I think I'm probably going to prefer doing this video in it and putting it on YouTube because I'm sort of thinking out loud, so I'll know exactly what I was doing at the time and the thought process behind my trade. That liquidity has been pulled now at the 74s. It's just been taken off. 75 and moved it up they've moved it up a tick to there. I'm just going to put that there for a sec. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to start moving my stock down. It's a big red candle that on the YM. See that big rejection candle there though. See if we get below that on the YM, I'd probably be happy to stay in this. I'm due a bit of a pullback here, I think. See that other large area is so far away up to the upside. What is it? You're looking at 85s. 90s and then 500s. Oh, I'm just going to move that to break even. I don't want to be losing any more on this account. I need to be going the other way really. Oh, look at that bonds though. Them bonds have just ripped it to the downside. It might try and take that liquidity there first. We've got a bit of a block of liquidity set at the 77s. Oh no. I don't like my stock being there, it's too close to price. It can move up too much. It's only fucking 2 points away. I need to adjust that bookmark, I can't even see where price is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, There's loads of liquidity just come in there at the 77.5. Come on. I think this could push back up now, you know, and stay inside this range. So it only looks like it's selling off to me because I've got it in such a small time frame. We're having it on the 100 tick chart, but I like to have it on that. Come on, NQ. Push it down. If it can push down, then it means it's made a lower low. Another lower low. That'd be 1, 2, 3. This is what we want ideally. Let's I haven't even really traded that much and I feel like my mental capital's gone. It's not the best time to be trading when your mental capital's gone and you're like, can't be arsed. I'm not the stressed version yet, but come on. Let's see how this is going to react at this 77.25 level. So the cumulative delta's dropped loads. It's like it's gone down 400 contracts. orders are coming in. Sell orders. That seat tape's all red. Come on. Come on, tape. If we can get below the 77s and move down to the next level, I'll be happy with that. I'll take it off. Come on. And treasury bonds haven't even moved. And it's on a tick chart as well. It's right at that key level there on bookmap. Don't seem to be absorbing many of them orders, it's just bouncing off it. What I need is someone to pull that order and just let it drop. Stuck at VWAP innit? Come on. We make or break at this level here. There we go. What are the next level? 75. When we at 300. Still a little bit of that level there. Still got another 70 contracts at 76. See, they got filled. Tape's still red. Come on. Bonds haven't even moved at all, have they? I did say though here, didn't I? I need to get below this level on this YM. That's right there. Good bounce. It's a big rejection candle. All them buyers seem to have gone now from that level. 76s. Right. So that should push down now to 75.00. I'm going to move this to you. Come on. Delta's still dropping to the negative side. Come on, NQ. That's where it rejected before there. Look. See that? See if it can break. Just retesting that where it was a couple of minutes ago. Seems to be any others coming in underneath. That. Swept that liquidity there and now it's come in. So you got a level up at 78s and you got a level down at 75s. So that could come up to 78s. Put that 79s. It's just slightly above that liquidity level. 78.25. Yeah, good. It's ticking down, ticking up, ticking down, ticking up. You got a bit of a battle going on here. Look, NQ's ripping. Hopefully it's going to reject off this trend line. So it's pushing up to that 78 level that we're talking about. I won't do anything too hasty because that's them bonds have started moving up slightly. Ah, look, it's got to 77 and there's an order coming below and coming above. That's been pulled. It's looking like it's going to push to the upside now. Unless it rejects from this 78 level. There's a lot of sell orders getting filled. It's just depressing this, it's stuck in a range, big range. See out bookmaps, just a big cluster of bubbles. Come on NQ, push back down. See, ideally I want to see this level on that YM get taken there. Go on. Massive orders coming at 77 there above. What I want to see. Down at 75s. That's all we're after. Come on. Sometimes they push down towards the levels and they don't quite make it. And bounce back up before they even touch it. This is why I want to get this stops and iceberg indicator on, because you can see all the hidden orders then that they hide from you. Really, you're only getting an idea of where the liquidity is here, but it's not 100% true. What did I say I've got to aim for? 400 or 500? YM's got below that level now. Just could reject though. See if that bar's going to close. Oh, look at that bit. That's a big order down there at 72s. 139 contracts down there. 72s. So I'll just put it above 72, 75. Because it did this to me over there. I put it bang on the level and it went down, missed it by a tick and went back up bloody 30 points. Missed out on $1,000 trade. It's looking like a heavy level that's just bounced off of. Is it going to push into it, or is it going to push up? There you see, this could reject here. Well, that YM might be going. Is it going to take it with it? That's at 75, 75. If that pushes down, I'll move my stop to there. I'll be happy with 400. 450. Come on. Get going. It's at 75 level. I called that, didn't I? Don't want to let go of it just yet. Come on. That way I'm looking very bullish. There we go, look. Can't even see it.
Order field.
That'll do. That'll do me. Just short of 500. Could carry on going, but I think there's only. Just come up to one of my levels, you see. That's probably a swing. If we go to the 15-minute on here. Yeah, look. That's where that bar opened. Pushed up, pushed down. It could get all the way down to here, but I don't want to risk it. if you look at this, we have got a large level down here, but it's only another 2 points away. Let's take 2 points. I'm not going to lose any sleep over it. Alright, brilliant. Nice little scratch trade. That'll do for today. Thank you very much. Good night.